Causes of ADHD. Well, ADHD ज़्यादातर जेनेटिक फैक्टर और ब्रेन डिफरेंसेस की वजह से भी होता है. The exact causes of ADHD isn't fully understood. So it's believed that there are combination of factors that causes ADHD. Let's see the first factor. Genetics, जो ADHD का सबसे पहला फैक्टर है. अगर किसी की भी फैमिली में कोई प्रायर हिस्ट्री रही है किसी पर्सन की ADHD डिसऑर्डर की, सो इट्स वेरी लाइकली कि उसकी फैमिली में और किसी को भी ADHD हो सकता है, बिकॉज इट्स नॉट यूजुअली कॉज्ड बाय सिंगल जीन but by a combination of different genes. These genes affect how your brain develops and works, particularly the parts that control attention, impulses, and activity levels. It's highly unlikely if parents have the ADHD, children can too have the ADHD. Let's see the second factor. Second factor, brain differences. Research shows difference in brain structure, function, particularly in the areas of controlling attention, activity, impulse control, also causes the ADHD. If there is an imbalance in neurotransmitter, that can also cause the ADHD. Let's see the third factor of the ADHD. During pregnancy, if a woman is exposed to toxin, it is highly possible that she may have premature birth, which in result causes problems with brain and bodily development of child. There are thousands of cases of people who are diagnosed with ADHD. So अगर कोई woman during her pregnancy is exposed to these kinds of toxins, it is highly likely the baby will have ADHD in future because they are born premature. Childhood trauma, the fourth factor of ADHD. While not a direct cause, it can lead to ADHD development. अगर किसी पर्सन ने अपने चाइल्डहुड में एक्सट्रीम ट्रॉमा या स्ट्रेस और एंजाइटी को फेस किया है, then it is likely that that person will manifest ADHD symptoms in the later of their life. So these are all the causes of the ADHD. Let's go to the conclusion. Conclusion. In conclusion, ADHD is complex neurodevelopmental disorder with no single cause. The strongest evidence to significant genetic component, meaning it often runs in families due to inherited differences in brain structure and function, particularly those affecting attention, impulse control, and activity level. That's for today. Thank you for watching. Like, share, and subscribe for more videos.